the jingle of my latest endorsement, Cherry Mobile. It's a catchy tune that I'm sure everybody will like. Medyo not feeling well ako during the day of the recording, pero thank God, maganda pa rin yung naging outcome. Check this one out.
The latest jingle of Cherry Mobile will be sung by Miss Sarah Geronimo. Of course, she's one of the hottest endorsers of Cherry Mobile right now.
Cherry Mobile. Recording ginawa namin sa studio ni Sir Venny sa tour, no? So parang, ano ka na rin, at-home ako kasi sa Sir Venny, bago pa ako manalo sa Star for a Night, kakilala na namin sa Sir Venny. He was one of the judges dun sa singing contest na pinagtrabahuhan ng daddy ko sa PLDT, Tuklas Talino. So, iyon, dun kami nag-record.
Jingle was composed by Mr. Elmer Blancaflor. The jingle is all about Click Tayo. It's entitled Click Tayo. We want to connect through the jingle the brand Cherry Mobile directly to the consumers. So kung naka-Cherry Mobile ka, click tayo.
Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile. Let the light go, Cherry Mobile. Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile. The world is in the palm of your hand. Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile. Very catchy yung tune at saka simple yung song.
Yung LSS, napakaganda ng jingle. Gusto namin nationwide kantahin tong Click Tayo with Cherry Mobile.
So best ang connections and my destination. So cool ang application. Meron pang television. Click na click ang Cherry Mobile. Click tayo sa Cherry Mobile.
Ganun pa rin, Sarah is still the hottest pop singer in our country, in her generation right now, and we're just so proud to have her as one of our endorsers. She has evolved just like the brand, so we're just so happy to have her around.
Nade itself na lang eh. Pero mano naman eh, madali lang po yung song at saka may lang siya. Nag-enjoy naman ako.
Ay, may sakit ba siya? Ay, hindi halata. Hindi halata. Ganon. Magaling pa rin.
Click! Medyo naman, buti hindi naman pa masyadong halata po yung congestion, yung ngongo. Pero okay naman. It's a good thing na recording siya. So, Cherry Mobile!
We will be launching the first and latest jingle of Cherry Mobile. Enjoy the lyrics and the music. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo. Ikaw, ako, click tayo.
Share and comment, but likes are
Christmas and a Happy New Year sa mga tagahanga natin sa Popstar Diary.